Good evening, Triton family. I am the assistant principal tasked with overseeing the eighth graders for this school year. And this day, as we are faced with the COVID-19 pandemic, we are now faced with socially distancing. Students are unable to return on campus where they can meet with their teachers and friends face to face. We here at East Lake Middle School are aware of the social and emotional well-being concerns of our students, teachers, and families are facing every day. We have support from our school psychologists, counselors, and restorative practice coordinator, Ms. Quinn. We pledge to assist all of our students and families' needs by continuing to offer assistance with completing free or reduced lunch applications. Deadline is September the 14th. And we pledge to continue conducting student, teacher, and parent school site council meetings headed by Ms. Finley, our principal, that will allow our constituents a voice to keep governing our schools during this school year. If you're interested in joining, please contact me by email. We're also looking for students to join the school site committee as well. Next, I would like to discuss digital citizenship. In the upcoming days, our administrative team will be addressing this matter with all of our students during our biannual student behavior and academic expectation assemblies that will be conducted through their physical education classes. We will be addressing the importance of being good citizens while using any of their electronic devices. We will share with them the importance of staying focused while in class and how important it is for them not to use cyberbullying as a joke or prank for attention because of the serious harm it does to others and the amount of time that it will take to investigate each instance. Thank you for your time. And if you are interested in getting additional information regarding the school site council and lunch applications, you can email me at christiana.adams@sweetwaterschools.org. Thank you and have a great evening.